this lovely lady. She's our friend of our show. This is Danielle Kartes, and she's here.
Thank you.
With 2 Rent Week dinners, AKA, you're running out of money.
Done. It's over.
Danielle and I were talking about this backstage,
Yeah.
and we have both been in the grocery store at that point in our lives where we really sincerely thought about chicken, toilet paper.
What's more
Chicken,
important?
toilet paper. Which one do I need more if I don't have
Laundry
enough
soap,
money in the bank?
potatoes.
I know, right?
Yes.
And it kind of gives you a sense of pride being able to stretch a dollar.
And look, you're like, look what I did. I created
Look what
a
I did.
feast out of nothing.
Out of nothing.
Yes. My husband does that all the time. He's like, we should go out. There's nothing in the fridge. I'm like, hold my beer. I got you, baby.
That's my
I got
girl.
you. Yeah, here we go.
All right, what are we making first?
Okay, so chickpea fried rice.
Chickpea fried rice!
I have never met anybody that doesn't like beans and rice. So it's literally what you have. So we have all these colorful, beautiful veggies now, but if you only have celery, there's nothing to be ashamed of. If you only have a little bit of onion, you just go for it, and you just put it all in the pan.
Using up all of your veg.
Everything that is, if it's a little bit soft, if it's soft, if it's a little bit, you
perfectly
just
fine. That's the point. Is it's just like soup. Fried rice works just the same.
Absolutely.
We're using up what's in the fridge.
Exactly. So we're using all this good stuff up, and we have a really nice spread here, but you can use anything. And if you don't have chickpeas, use a can of red beans. If you don't have red beans,
it's just that beans are a great stretch a buck because they're a great source of protein and fiber and nutrients, and they are cheap.
Absolutely. They're super cheap. And you can get a bag of dried beans for like $1, and you soak those bad boys overnight. It just takes a little bit of thinking, a little bit of preparation.
I'm gonna start eating your chickpeas.
Okay, go for it.
I'm a little snacky.
I actually love that. I love it when you cook along and eat along with me. Okay, so we're gonna pretend that these are all, you know, gorgeous. I'm gonna slide this over.
Put that over here.
Okay, here, we'll just play some musical chairs. Okay, so this, and you know what? Chickpeas taste awesome when you just crisp them up a little bit. They get a little bit chewy. You want to,
and a little nutty.
When you're missing things like meat, you want to figure out how can I add flavor. You got to add flavor and texture. So don't be afraid to really get into this. I love it. So as this goes,
little salt, pepper.
go for it, baby. Ooh, I love that. You guys are cute.
I know.
I'll make the sauce.
Add the rice?
Add the rice. Go for it. I'm gonna do the sauce. So this is great too. When you're at home and maybe you've got soy sauce, maybe you got some rice vinegar, roll with what you have. I think that's really important.
You can also use the packets that we all have 49 of from Chinese Takeout.
Absolutely. Save it because you never know when you're gonna need it. You never know when it's gonna be lean. And then on payday, you're gonna wanna treat yourself. You treat yourself to some chili paste. So this is gonna last 6 months.
It lasts a long time.
A long time. Here, a little bit of brown sugar.
And a little brown sugar.
You can use honey, you can use whatever.
So a little bit of sweet, a little bit of sour with your vinegar and soy sauce.
Flavor profiles.
Yum.
You want the sweet, you want the sour, you want the savory, you put it all together. Go for it. We forgot to crack an egg. You didn't, I did.
There's an egg cooking back there.
This is for
Don't you tell me.
It's for the next one.
Oh, okay, fine.
So this is a great thing about stuff like this. You just make a little well, and you know how you go to the fried rice place and it's like the delicious egg throughout everything.
Right.
Boom. So we're just gonna put him right in the center and into our garbage bowl. See, last time I used this for a
scramble him up a little bit. Scramble him up a little bit.
I love it. Yeah, go for it.
And let him cook up a little bit.
And let it cook up. And reduce your sauce. Whatever you have works, and this is so tasty. Perfect.
You want all this in here?
Well, whatever fits. Yeah.
Fine.
Look at that. And then we'll put some delicious salad on the side. Look at that.
Okay.
It's beautiful. Look at that.
And a little cilantro.
Cilantro.
Beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Ta-da.
Look
okay.
it. And
Number 2.
That's nice.